Legends of the deep, the enduring allure of sea monsters. The ocean depths hold many secrets. For centuries, sailors returned from their voyages with tales of incredible creatures. These stories sparked the imagination. Sea monsters became a part of our folklore and mythology. They represent the unknown and the power of nature. Even today, the idea of sea monsters continues to fascinate us. What is it about the deep that inspires such wonder? Perhaps it is the vastness of the ocean. We have explored only a small fraction of its depths. Or maybe it is the strange and wonderful creatures that we do find there. Whatever the reason, sea monsters continue to hold a place in our collective imagination. Kraken, the legendary terror of the North Sea. One of the most famous sea monsters is the Kraken. This creature is said to inhabit the North Sea. Stories of the Kraken date back to the 12th century. Sailors described it as a giant squid or octopus. They said it was large enough to drag ships and their crews to their doom. The Kraken was said to be able to create whirlpools. These whirlpools could pull ships under the water. Some stories even said that the Kraken could spit a black ink. This ink would cloud the water and make it impossible for sailors to see. While the Kraken is just a legend, it is a powerful symbol of the dangers of the sea. From myth to page, sea monsters in literature and folklore. Sea monsters are not just the stuff of legends, they have also appeared in literature and folklore from around the world. One famous example is the Leviathan from the Bible. This fearsome creature is described as a giant sea serpent. It is so powerful that it is said to be able to crush ships with its teeth. Another famous literary sea monster is Moby Dick. This giant white whale is the title character of Herman Melville's classic novel. Moby Dick is a symbol of the power and indifference of nature. These creatures continue to capture our imaginations. The truth behind the tales. Real sea creatures and their influence. While many sea monster stories are exaggerated, some are based on real creatures. The giant squid, for example, is a real animal that can grow to enormous sizes. Sailors who encountered these creatures may have been inspired to create stories of the Kraken. Similarly, the colossal squid is another real-life sea creature with massive proportions. These animals live in the deep ocean. They have large eyes and long, sharp tentacles. It is easy to see how these creatures could have inspired tales of terrifying sea monsters. Even today, we are still discovering new and amazing creatures in the ocean depths. Who knows what other mysteries are waiting to be uncovered?